So there was more fights on the Mayweather card. You know what I mean? I'm like, listen.
Good fights too.
I paid these 70 horse balls. I'm about to get my money's worth. I'm watching everybody. You know what I'm saying? And I wanted to watch them anyway because, you know, I love boxing. You know what I'm saying? My wife, she's getting into it these days. You know what I'm saying? She's getting into the boxing thing. So, I mean, the other fight, Ponce de Leon, everybody was expecting Ponce de Leon to, you know, he the champion. Everybody is expecting him to win.
That
Two
was
Spanish
crazy.
dude. You know the one at the tail?
Yeah.
The dude Abner or Mirage or whatever. Man, he beat him to a pulp.
He did. But what was going on with the referee? That made me mad.
He was sunning the crap out of
If
him.
I was the champion, I would have been pissed. Because you're not going to just stop my fight and I'm swinging back. Like, my pupils aren't dilated. I'm aware of the surroundings. I'm still fighting. Why did you just draw the fight?
He must have had diarrhea. He must have go to the bathroom or something. That fight should have continued with a couple rounds left. A couple rounds left.
That makes sense.
You know what I mean? Earn your money, man.
That's
Should
funny.
have stopped that
He
fight.
didn't wear it depends.